Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin just did something completely crazy. And the question right now is, are we here in massive danger territory for Bitcoin right now? Or is this a breakout confirmation here and we are going to the upside for good? Well, the evidence in the charts I am going to show you for one of these scenarios are quite surprising, I can tell you that. Watch the video until the very end because I will be showing you my trades on Bybit, my trades on Femex, $70,000 in a profit, $72,000 in a profit, and another one with $80,000 in a profit, and also my complete game plan and what I am planning for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I also want to be showing you here towards the end of the video something completely mind-blowing. This chart here is based on the history predicting the exact day of the next all-time high. In the previous two cycles, this chart predicted the all-time high up to the exact day, nearly up to the exact hour, and I will be showing you exactly what this means for the next all-time high for Bitcoin at the exact day it is likely to happen according to this chart. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. Make also sure that you sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up the like button for this video towards a new all-time high. You know what, guys? In the yesterday's video we got more than 4,000 likes, and then consider that we also got way more than 1,000 likes on the German channel. In total, way more than 5,000 likes. You are the strongest crypto family. There is no other channel where I am currently seeing more than 5,000 likes on a single video. Thank you so much for that, guys. You are the best crypto family out there. And with that being said, welcome crypto fans and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright, guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin yesterday, actually, after I published the video, got the breakout towards the upside, actually a little bit earlier than expected. And this might have been a problem. I mentioned yesterday how weekend breakouts are obviously not the strongest. And we can see here a very crazy rejection after Bitcoin actually forming a new high. And this obviously can look like some kind of fake out, especially if we are here connecting the wicks. It really looks like a fake out, and fake outs are by no means something bullish. They are always something bearish. However, if we are still keeping the symmetrical triangle we have drawn from before, you can see that after this breakout, this breakdown, so far, guys, and I will show you some warning signs, but so far it looks here like a very, very beautiful confirmation. Obviously, this gets heavily invalidated once we are going below the invalidation point here, approximately right now at $12,900. Once we are closing below, well, this is not a bounce anymore, and this cannot by any means be considered bullish. And also one thing I really want to make very, very clear here, guys, we had amazing breakout trades recently. All our trades turned out to be profitable. So it is very normal when many people are in profits that we can get rejections. Bitcoin here going down, basically, I don't know, 20%, 30%. This can always happen at any given point of time. This is the reason why we are taking profits. $11,400 wouldn't be the end of the world. Obviously, it's not nice if we are breaking the short-term bull trend, but just be prepared for it. Even though we are still bullish, still here printing higher highs for Bitcoin, well, we have to look out what is going to happen here in the immediate short term. If we are going below our previous low, well, in this case, we can break here the macro structure, at least in the immediate short term, and we can expect lower lows and a higher retracement towards the downside, even down to the $11,500, $10,500 levels. All of this is possible. So put your stop loss into a profit just to make sure that you are here when the Bitcoin price retraces and when it goes against our own expectations here. Well, but again, if we are getting these bounces, we are still in the pattern, we are still bullish, and we can still reach all the price targets I am going to mention here later on in this video. Pulling out the hourly candles, you can see that this volume actually had, this breakout actually had some volume support, as you can see here on the downside, but it was not mind-blowing. So at this point of time, someone could say, well, we have volume backing. I also said, well, this looks not all too bad, but in the end of the day, it is still a low volume, and we can see that here clearly how the volume is declining. So this is not a significant breakout volume where we can say, well, let's pound the table and we are going higher now to our price target. So another thing I wanted to mention is because this volume is quite low, and if I'm going here over to the 4-hourly candles, it's getting a little bit more clear, and eliminate the volume, then you can see that if we are connecting here the wicks, this could still be something like we have to make a little bit bit of magic here, but it could be some kind of a upward sloping channel, as you can see. So it is possible still that we are getting here this bounce, which could be either a confirmation or just a confirmation of the upward sloping support. However, it could be that we are in this upward sloping channel. We can still meet our price target perfectly, I quoted earlier, but the thing is, we are still due for the breakout. And I told you that I am expecting this breakout rather on Monday than on Saturday or Sunday. And even though it looked like we are breaking out already, it seems like we didn't really break out here. But the good news is, obviously, this can be a rejection, but it can just, because the rejection volume was also not so high, just be a confirmation of the breakout. And this is why I posted this here on Twitter, actually, just 2 hours ago. It is already going viral. People are really going crazy about the street. And I'm posting these things in absolute real time. If you want these signals, my thoughts on the charts, on the patterns, when I'm opening trades, and so on in absolute real time, you have to follow us here at MMCrypto on Twitter. Go over to Twitter. The link is down below. Follow us at MMCrypto, and you get this in absolute real time. And everything on YouTube is much more in detail. It is much more of my thoughts. It is additional information, so you don't want to miss out on that as well. But this here is the fastest way, also over on my Instagram at ChrisMMCrypto, is the fastest way, the one with the verification mark, to get my information here. So as you can see here, I posted this could turn out to be the most beautiful Bitcoin breakout confirmation ever. Let's cautiously wait and see. And ever I'm saying, because we perfectly bounce here, it's exactly bouncing at the apex of this triangle. So obviously, if this turns out to be a confirmation, well, then this breakout target is still valid. And then remember that this breakout target only brings us over approximately to the 10,530, 10,550 US dollar levels, which we didn't hit quite yet. Right now, we have to wait and see and let this pattern evolving. Remember, we are in the weekend. So in case we are here breaking down, it could be a wick. Look at the confirmation, look at the volume. Don't get wiped out here for no reason. Make sure that you only close your trade if we confirmed breakdown here out of this pattern. If we consolidate here more and we even see a bounce towards the upside, well, then you can expect at least here a bounce from the upward sloping resistance over there, very close to our price target I mentioned initially. But something I really wanted to tell you before I'm going to this mind-blowing chart, which actually predicts the exact day of the next up and coming all-time high. And I'm not joking with you, like, this is confirmed by the 11 years history of Bitcoin. Doesn't mean that it's 100% happening, but I am telling you, this will certainly blow your mind. I saw it this morning and I really want to show it to you. But first of all, I wanted to show you something else. Look at this here. This breakout I was quoting since ages already, since the 10,000 US dollar levels, even over here since the 9,500 US dollar levels, that we are going into this support box, into this resistance box, which I was drawing all the way back here from this psychological level. And obviously, can you imagine that at 9,000, when I'm quoting nearly 14,000 US dollars, 13,500, that the people were laughing? Well, right now we exactly dipped in. So I just want to tell you, in case we are getting this rejection, it's completely normal for Bitcoin to get rejections every now and then, to get a retracement, to get a consolidation period before we are actually going more towards the upside for good. And before I'm going into the specific chart here, I want to show you something else. So let me pull out the 21-week EMA. Remember that we usually in bull markets always bounce from these. And I'm not saying that we are going down to 10,700 right now. I am still bullish on Bitcoin because I think there is more upwards momentum. But at any given point of time, these are the weekly candles, and this one will be more upward sloping in the future. It can be next week, it can be in 2-3 weeks, but you have to be prepared for Bitcoin to go down and retest. I think we are in a very valid bull trend, and in these valid bull trends, these bounces are considered to be very bullish. Look at the last one here. We had 80% up, 40% down, 130% up, 30% down, 250% up, 45% down. It is completely normal to get these rejections, to get these bounces, and this is the reason why we are taking profits along the lines as well. And just the last thing, if you really still don't agree with me here on us being extremely bullish on the weekly candles, let me pull this out. I was talking about these converging trend lines since ages, guys, since ages, and I was also trading this specific breakout here, especially after the confirmation. We went insanely bullish. What you can see here is the most bullish thing anyone can ever tell you. These are converging trend lines actually being confirmed throughout the last 3.5 years. We are breaking out, confirming the breakout with volume and going higher. So right now, guys, I am sticking to it. I am very bullish for Bitcoin on the weekly candles, on the daily, on the 4-hourly. We have to be very cautious. I am closely monitoring my trades here and considering taking profits here rather sooner than later. So guys, please be prepared for everything to come here. I quoted to you my price targets and what I'm exactly predicting here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term on the 4-hourly candles, on the hourly candles. I think Monday will certainly be a very, very interesting day. And right now, just the only thing you can keep in mind is this symmetrical triangle bullish pennant, however you want to call it, or this upward sloping channel. We really have to wait for confirmation and see which one is actually the valid one right now. Go down, leave your thoughts in the comment section and smash up the like button here on that. And I want to show you this chart. Look at this chart on Twitter. And this one, I am not joking with you. It is predicting, based on the previous cycles, the exact day of the all-time high. And even though I think it is very hard to say, I think this carries some validity. So wait here until the very end. I want to show it to you. Obviously, I will be showing you my trades because I always want to be transparent. And you can see here my trade on Bybit. On Bybit, I'm trading the most. This is my main exchange, but I'm also trading on Femex. This is my trade on Bybit. It is right now raking in approximately still $70,000 in a profit. I am expecting a slight pullback, maybe. Who knows? I mean, I can completely live with that. I am keeping it open for now, but I will take profits very, very soon. It's a 22x leverage. I have obviously also my other trade here on Femex. This is the $9,400 entry trade. It is $81,000 in a profit, and that is the exact one I showed you on the weekly candles just 2 minutes ago, where we broke out, we got the confirmation. This is the trade. I'm very proud of this entry trade, and this I'm not taking profits anytime soon. This is a long-term trade on a 10x leverage only and at a very strong entry position. This is my sub account. This is another very short-term trade. You can see it right here. I entered at 11,760, and it is $73,000 in a profit. So overall, like $230,000 in a profit right now. And many people are asking me, well, I'm standing on the sidelines. I want to jump into a trade. Don't jump just like blindly into a trade. We need strong entry positions. We need either a breakout trade or we need a very reasonable entry target in a rejection. So for example, the 61.8, for example, the golden pocket. But I am going to show you all my trades, all my new entry positions when I am entering new trades here on the channel, on Instagram and on Twitter. So what you can do is just be ready for it. I am trading on Bybit. If you have a Bybit account, if you are an experienced trader, you might as well scroll into the pinned comment, and we have here a $390 bonus for everyone who is watching this video. If you are an experienced trader here on Bybit, this is my main exchange. If you click this link, you put in your email address and your password, you immediately get your own account. And after a deposit, initial deposit, I leave you the deposit schedule here. With our code here, you can get up to $390 for free. So if you don't touch your own money, you take only the $400 bonus. With a 50x leverage, for example, I'm not trading 50x, 25x is the maximum for me personally. But if you trade it on a 50x leverage, this is just a $20,000 trade completely for free by not even touching your own money, only taking the bonus. And the good thing is you can withdraw the profits from this free bonus trade as well. And if it's gone, but it was the free bonus, right? So I will leave it for you in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you take advantage of that. I think this is a very fair offer, and they are only running it for October. So you have a few days left only, and you get it only with our link. If you snooze on this opportunity, the bonus will go down very, very soon. So there are just a few opportunities left. You might as well just use our link here in the pinned comment down below. And now let me go over to this one here. Big shout out to Russian Bear. Also big shout out to my community manager, to the chief of our community management. We have a few, C from MMCrypto. And actually, you know what? I will go from this tweet here down to this answer, because this guy made a perfect answer here. It's much more visible. Nunya Business. And you can see here, I didn't believe it. I had to check it for myself. Wow, almost perfect, only off by 2%. And look at this. We have them from the bear market low. Bear market lows are always the red vertical lines. The halvings are always the blue vertical lines, and the bull market highs are the green vertical lines. So you can see 375 days from the bear market low to the halving, and then the exact same number of days, less 2%, to the next all-time high. The exact same thing once again here in the beginning of 2015. At the 200 or whatever US dollar bear market low, 539 days to the halving, and then the exact same number of days, less 2%, to the next bull market high. Is this crazy, guys? And if we are doing the exact same thing for this cycle once again, we are taking the bear market low at $3,150 in the end of 2018 in December, then we are measuring the number of days until the next halving, the blue line here, it's 513. We are taking the exact same number of days and we are putting it over from the halving until the potential next all-time high. This gives us exactly the 21st of September 2021, the exact same number of days, again, less 2%. So this would bring us to an all-time high on the 21st of September 2021. Well, and I am always saying, I was actually saying since March 2021, that I think inflation takes usually time to hit the prices, 12 to 18 months. And you know that the Federal Reserve and the central banks out there are printing like crazy. If you consider that March 2020 is exactly 18 months to September 2021, well, then you can think about it again. If you don't believe this prediction, I think it is a possible thing to happen, because you know that the central bank started printing like crazy at the Black Thursday here, this COVID Black Thursday in March 2020, and well, exactly 18 months later, in classical economic theory, it takes 18 months for inflation to completely peak into prices. Well, then I think this is a very reasonable thing to assume. So probably, if this holds true, we can see Bitcoin rising parabolically here towards the upside. And my own personal prediction, I am sticking to it since month already. I think prices between 200, 300, 350,000 US dollars are very possible. To hit the gold market cap just out of interest, guys, we would need a price of 480,000 US dollars. And here I want to come to you guys. Maybe you can leave your own personal price prediction for the next bull market high in the comment section down below. Leave your price prediction down below, maybe a quick reason for it. I would love to read it. I would love to give you a heart. I would love to answer some of these comments. I really want to know what you think about that. And also, if you want to support us, obviously in the pinned comment down below, you find our affiliate section with a $390 US bonus. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. Thank you so much for pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell, and pressing on all. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, I want to show you quickly here my view. This is the office view. I'm sitting half outside here on my desk in my room here in Bodrum, Turkey. So I just wanted to wish you a very good day, a lot of positive energy I want to send towards you. I hope we see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, already on Monday or maybe even today at an emergency one, hopefully not. And with that being said, guys, as always, bye-bye.